How to create Etsy seller account step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm giving you a tutorial on how to create a seller's account on Etsy to get started with your own e-commerce store and sell your products. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Etsy.com and you will land on this marketplace. Etsy is an amazing marketplace that allows you to create your own store and sell your products. In order to create a seller's account, you will need to sign up for Etsy first. So you can just go to Etsy.com and then you will find the option of sign up here. You can sign up using your Google account, using your email address, Facebook, or your Apple ID. So you just sign up with your email address. Once you sign up, this is where you will land. Now, once you get here, you're gonna actually scroll all the way down. This is the easiest way. Scroll all the way down to this section here, to the footer, and here you will find the option of sell on Etsy. If you do not have a store on Etsy yet, you will find the option sell on Etsy. Click on it and it will take you to create your own seller's account on Etsy, and you will be able to then create and open your store. So here we can create our own store on Etsy. You can see we have different steps that we have to complete. We have shop preferences, name your shop, stock your shop, how you'll get paid, set up billing, and your shop security. Once you complete all of these steps, you will have your own seller's account on Etsy and you will be able to sell. So, the first step is shop preferences. Here we have three things that we need to add. Shop language. Now, this is where you can select the language of your shop, and we're gonna, of course, go with English. Then we have shop country. Now, this is where you'll select your country. I'm gonna go with United States. Then we have the shop currency. Now here you can select your shop currency and I'll go with USD, but you can select your currency from here. You can see these currencies are available. So I'm going to go with USD. Once you've added these three options, you're going to move on and you're going to click on save and continue. So after every step, you will have to click on save and continue and it will take you to the next step. All right. So the next step is an important one, which is naming your shop. This is where you will add the name of your shop. Let's say that you want to name your shop Suede Closet. So we'll see if it's available. Okay, so this one is available. Let's say there was something else that I wanted to add. You can see it looks like this one is taken. Okay, so if the name is not available, you can change it for me. I will just go with my store name, which is available. Perfect. So you just enter the name of your shop here. Don't worry, actually, you can change your shop name later if you want to. Again, we're gonna click on save and continue. So the next step is stock your shop. This is where we need to add a listing to our shop. This is really important if you want to create a seller's account, and this is where you will list your first product. Again, don't worry about it. If you can just add the products detail here. This is to actually teach you how to create a listing. You can later import your products from other platforms, or you can change this product, or list this product as public. So here we will create a listing and we can scroll down. You can see there are a lot of different steps, but these are very easy. So to create a listing, you have to add a photo first of your product. I'm going to quickly do that. So you upload the photo of your image here and we can add up to 10 images here. There you go. Now we can scroll down. We can also adjust the thumbnail. So I'm going with this one. We can scroll down for video. So we can add video from 5 to 15 seconds of a video. The maximum size can be 100 MB. But for now, we're not going to add a video. Listing details. These are some of the important options. Title. So add the title of your product. For now, I'm just going to go with the word hoodie. About the listing, who made it? I'm going to go with I did. What is it? It's a finished products. It's not a supply. Keep that in mind. When did you make it? So we're going to go with recently. And it also depends if you're going for a vintage product. So we made it recently here. Category. For me, I'm just going to go with clothing. We can select different categories here. After that, we can select the primary color, secondary color, size, and length. So these are all optional and you can add these for the product. But for now, we're not going to do this because we're focusing on, opening a store. So these are all optional. We can skip these for now. Then we have important options again. Renewal option. automatic or manual. If you go with automatic, you will have to pay zero point 0.2 USD, or you can go with manual. I'm going to go with manual. I will be renewing my product by myself. Type physical or digital. Important, if it's a physical product, you will select physical. If it's a digital product, then you will select digital and you will have to upload your file. For the description, I'm just going to write the word description for now, but this is where you will add the details about the product. Scroll down and we have tags and material. It's optional. You can add up to 13 tags or materials to your product. We can scroll down to inventory and pricing. This is where we will add the pricing for the product. So I'm just going to write my product, the price here, quantity 1, SKU. Scroll down to variations, personalization, and delivery. So if you create print on demand products and something like that, then you can go with personalization here. We can scroll down to delivery. Now, this is important, postage price. So you can go with calculate according to the product. Original post address, you will add it here. Processing time, so we take like 1 to 3 business days. When we'll deliver. Free delivery option, if you want to go for that, I am going with free delivery, domestic wise. Handling fee, this is also optional. Scroll down to item size. Now this is where you will add the length, so I'm just gonna simply just go with the random words here, and then we can scroll down for the return and exchange if you want to add some policies. So this is how you add all the details about your product. So once you're done with that, you're going to click on save and continue and your new listing will be created. The next step is how you'll get paid. This is important, and Etsy offers a lot of different payment methods such as MasterCard, Visa cards, Discover, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Klarna. So this is where you'll select your payment method. You can select where your bank is located. For me, I'm going to go with United States again. Scroll down, tax purposes, individual or business. So make sure if you go with the business, then you will have to actually verify your business details and you will have to, give all of the information here. So we're gonna go with individual here. After that, we can scroll down to personal information. Now, this depends on you. You will have to enter your personal information here. Similarly, when it comes to the billing option, here again, this is personal information and shop security. So you will just move on to the next step, click on save and continue, and add your details. This way, you will have your seller's account at the end. And creating a seller's account on Etsy is really easy. You can create it for free, you can see. So you just have to complete these steps. Once you do, your seller's account will be ready. Once your seller's account is created, at the top here, you'll get your shop manager, and this is where you can manage your shop, renew your products, and even connect your other platforms to Etsy. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.